Eighth accused has been arrested in the Mumbai building collapse case now. His name is Jabbar Patel. He's been charged with section 304 of the IPC, that is culpable homicide not amounting to murder, as well as 336, 337, 338, 308, 120B, 134 IPC, as well as certain sections slapped against the accused, including this. Remember, there have been others who'd already been arrested. 7 had been arrested in the Mumbai building collapse, but now the 8th accused being arrested, extremely crucial because all these people will be charged with culpable homicide not amounting to murder. This is only coming after we have earlier heard that all of them would be given the sentence under 304 of the IPC. It is the crime branch in Thane that has arrested these people in connection with the building collapse case. For more, let's go across to our correspondent Mayank, who brought us that news. Mayank, what is the latest that the crime branch has got?
The crime branch will produce all the 8 arrested accused in Metropolitan Court in a short while from now. Crime branch sources are saying that they will press for police custody of all 8 accused. Crime branch officers are also saying that in the investigation it was revealed that all the municipal corporation officials and the government servants were allegedly paid bribe by both the builders, Jamil Qureshi and Salim Sheikh, as they were carrying out an illegal construction in Mumbai area, which building collapsed, killing 72 people. Now, crime branch sources are telling us that they are also going through the angles that all other municipal employees of that area, Mumbai, are concerned. Their role would be probed. As of now, in a short while from now, crime branch officers will produce all 8 accused before the junior metropolitan magistrates.
Mayank, the question here really being, these people are going to be arrested, but what about the nexus between the police, the politicians and all these builders? How are the bigger fish, the politicians, going to be captured by the crime branch?
That is what the crime branch is investigating now on the basis of the statements given by 2 builders. 5 government employees were picked up, including a deputy municipal commissioner who was earlier suspended after this mishap happened in Mumbai. Crime branch sources are saying that the role of other officials from the Thane Municipal Corporation and a couple of leaders from Mumbai is under scanner. But unless and until they find evidence against them, they will not reveal the identity as of now.